Managing Atlassian users shouldn't feel like opening 10 browser tabs just to remove one license. In this video, you will learn how user management and license optimizer app can help you. Hey, I'm Marvin, and I work as a technical support engineer DevOps at Resolution.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine, brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
Managing Atlassian users should not feel like a treasure hunt across 10 different browser tabs. But for many admins, that is exactly what it looks like. A new employee joins, someone changes teams, another person leaves the company. Yeah, and suddenly you're jumping between sites, groups, products, and admin screens, just to make one simple change. That is the problem user management and license optimizer app is built to solve. It gives you one central place to manage users across your Atlassian organization. So instead of checking everything manually, you get a clearer overview of user activity, license usage, inactivity users, and access-related actions across products and sites. And that matters, because user administration is usually not hard because the steps are complicated. It is hard because it is repetitive, it is fragmented, and it is easy to get wrong. Maybe you need to remove app access for inactive users. Maybe you need to suspend accounts after offboarding. Or maybe you need to adjust group memberships for dozens of people at once. Doing that, one user at a time, takes time, and it agrees the change that something gets missed. Then there is the licensing side. If users keep access they no longer need, you do not just create clutter. You may also be paying for that licenses that are not delivering value. This is where the app helps. First, you get the dashboard. Just open our app to get a view of our dashboard here. Here, the dashboard gives you a simple overview of user activity, license utilization, and inactive users. As an example, you can select the application like Jira. You will see the inactive users, the licensed users, and you can do the same, for example, or even every other Atlassian application you have enabled for the site. Now let's go to user browser. This is where you can search, filter, and manage users across your organization. From there, you can use bulk operations to take action on multiple users at once. As an example, you could select all users or just select a few of them and scroll down to use these bulk operations. The bulk operations includes removing app access, suspending accounts, changing group membership, or restoring access. You can see these actions which I mentioned before. Yeah, and if you want to reduce manual admin work even more, you can use automated tasks. Let's close this pop-up and switch to automated tasks. So automated task means recurring operations can run based on saved filters instead of being rebuilt manually every time. Yeah, so rather than reacting to the same user lifecycle task again and again, you can create repeatable processes that works for you. Let's take a simple example. We go back to our user browser and just let us identify users who have been inactive for a certain period. Now we can review them in one place. We don't need to switch to another tab. We will see all users which are inactive based on this selected filter. Now we can, after the review, we can select the right users in bulk. Or we can even save the selection as a filter. And now the automation would happen if we go to automated task and create a new task based on this filter. The task would need to have a name too. And now we can choose the same actions which we would have chosen in the user browser. Yeah, and for this recurring task like the monthly cleanup or regular access service, you can schedule that logic as an automated task. You can see here the scheduler. You can choose if it's on a weekly or monthly or interval action should be done. That is where the real value shows up. Less manual work, better visibility, more consistent user administration, or said another way, fewer clicks, fewer mistakes, and fewer mystery licenses. Because let's be honest, the only thing admins want multiplying unexpectedly is automation value, not user access. That is definitely more fun than debugging permissions at 5 o'clock on Friday. If your Atlassian user management feels scattered, this gives you a more centralized and scalable approach. You can monitor users more clearly. You can act on many users at once. And you can automate routine work before it becomes repetitive admin overhead. So instead of managing access one tab at a time, you manage it as a system. That is User Management and License Optimizer app for Atlassian Cloud.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine.